B-21 Raider was already one of the most secretive and groundbreaking aircraft in the world. A stealth bomber designed to outsmart enemy radars, penetrate the most defended airspace, and deliver unmatched precision anywhere on the globe. But now the U.S. Air Force has revealed its second B-21 Raider, and it's sending shockwaves across the defense world. This isn't just another bomber rollout. It's a clear signal that America's stealth revolution is accelerating faster than anyone thought possible. The Raider's first unveiling stunned analysts with its futuristic design and hidden capabilities. Now, with a second prototype making its public debut, experts say the pace of development and the technological leaps inside this aircraft are unlike anything we've ever seen. The message is clear. The U.S. is not just preparing for the future of warfare, it's already flying it. Introduction. Since the days of the legendary B-2 Spirit, stealth bombers have symbolized America's ability to strike anywhere, anytime, with near impunity. The arrival of the B-21 Raider marks the beginning of a new era, an era where stealth isn't just about hiding from radar, but about complete dominance in a digitally connected, AI-driven battlefield. The U.S. Air Force has now confirmed that the second B-21 Raider is ready for testing, and the implications are enormous. Not only does this accelerate America's timeline for deploying the bomber, but it also suggests that production readiness, advanced technology integration, and strategic planning are all moving faster than expected. For rivals like China and Russia, this revelation is a wake-up call. The U.S. has a stealth weapon that could define the balance of power for decades. So what makes this second B-21 Raider different? Why does its unveiling matter so much? And how does it fit into America's vision for 21st century warfare? Let's break it down. The B-21 program, a new era of stealth. The B-21 Raider program was designed from the ground up to replace both the aging B-1 Lancer and the B-2 Spirit, creating a single versatile platform that could handle every strategic mission. Developed by Northrop Grumman, the Raider represents more than just an upgrade. It's a total redesign of what a bomber should be. Unlike its predecessors, the B-21 was built with modularity at its core. This means the aircraft can be upgraded over time without requiring complete redesigns. From new sensors to advanced weapons, the B-21 can evolve as fast as the battlefield itself. In an age where technology changes overnight, that adaptability makes it a nightmare for adversaries trying to predict U.S. capabilities. The Air Force revealed that the second B-21 rollout wasn't just ceremonial. It demonstrates that the production line is already moving. For a program of this scale, delivering a second aircraft so quickly is a massive achievement, proving both efficiency and confidence in the design and stealth shaping. At first glance, the B-21 Raider looks like a smaller, sleeker cousin of the B-20 Spirit, but looks are deceiving. The design hides a completely new stealth philosophy, using advanced radar-absorbing materials, sharper edges, and refined airframe shaping. The B-21 is built to be virtually invisible across multiple detection spectrums, not just radar, but infrared and electronic tracking as well. The Raider's skin treatments are said to be more durable and easier to maintain than the delicate coatings of the B-2. This is critical because stealth is only effective if it's reliable in combat conditions. By reducing maintenance demands, the Air Force ensures the Raider can fly more missions, more often, without long downtime periods. The second prototype confirms that these design principles are not just theoretical, they're real working features that will redefine stealth for the next generation. Digital cockpit and AI integration. Step inside the B-21 Raider and you're stepping into the future of aviation. The cockpit is a fully digital battle space equipped with advanced touchscreen displays, augmented reality overlays, and AI-driven mission systems. Unlike older bombers, where pilots were overwhelmed with analog dials and endless switches, the Raider streamlines decision-making into clear, instant visual data. The AI doesn't just assist, it actively manages. From navigation and threat detection to mission planning and even electronic warfare tactics, the system helps pilots process information at machine speed. This is essential in modern combat where milliseconds can decide survival. The second B-21 is believed to feature an even more refined AI system capable of coordinating directly with unmanned drones. This opens the door to manned-unmanned teaming, where the Raider acts as the command hub, directing swarms of drones for reconnaissance, electronic attacks, or even additional strikes. Weapon systems and strike power. Of course, a bomber is nothing without its payload. The B-21 Raider is designed to carry both conventional and nuclear weapons, giving it unmatched flexibility. Its internal bays are optimized for stealth carriage, meaning it can deliver devastating firepower without revealing its position. Reports suggest that the B-21 will also integrate future hypersonic weapons, giving it the ability to strike faster and harder than any bomber before. With precision-guided bombs, long-range cruise missiles, and next-generation smart munitions, the Raider can adapt its loadout for any mission. The second prototype's readiness suggests weapons integration is already well underway, a sign that the Raider is moving from concept to combat ready at lightning speed. Survivability and smart defense. One of the most critical aspects of the B-21 is its survivability. Unlike traditional bombers that rely on speed or altitude, the Raider survives by simply not being seen. Its advanced stealth profile, electronic warfare suite, and AI-driven countermeasures make it one of the hardest aircraft to detect and engage. But survivability isn't just about avoiding detection. The B-21 also features redundant systems, hardened electronics, and next-gen communications resilience, ensuring it can stay connected even in heavily jammed environments. In short, it's built not just to enter the battlefield, but to dominate it. The fact that the second Raider is already undergoing testing proves that these survivability features are not experimental, they're operational. Strategic significance. Why does this matter so much? Because the B-21 isn't just a bomber, it's a statement. It shows that the U.S. has the capability, resources, and determination to stay ahead in the arms race. With China racing to field its H-20 stealth bomber and Russia working on the P-AKDA, the Raider ensures America's dominance in long-range strike for decades. For allies, the Raider is a reassurance. For adversaries, it's a warning. The presence of multiple B-21s in testing means the U.S. could field operational squadrons much sooner than expected, dramatically shifting the balance of power. The unveiling of the second Raider is more than just another milestone. It's a declaration that the future of air dominance is already here. Global impact. The world is watching closely. China and Russia are likely scrambling to adjust their timelines and strategies in response. If America can field the B-21 in large numbers, their own stealth bomber projects may be outpaced before they even take flight. For U.S. allies, the Raider represents not just cutting-edge technology, but also a shield. Nations in NATO and the Pacific will feel the weight of American power more tangibly, knowing the Raider can strike anywhere, anytime, with unprecedented precision. This global impact is why the unveiling of the second Raider has caused such a stir. It isn't just a new plane, it's a global shift in military balance. Conclusion. The B-21 Raider was already one of the most anticipated military aircraft of the century. With the unveiling of the second prototype, it's clear that the program is moving faster, smarter, and more decisively than anyone expected. This is not just another bomber, it's a digital, AI-driven stealth powerhouse that will shape the skies for generations. Its design, adaptability, and strike power make it unlike anything the world has ever seen before. The second Raider isn't just an aircraft, it's a glimpse into the future of warfare. And the message is clear. The U.S. Air Force is ready to dominate that future. What do you think about the B-21 Raider? Do you believe this next-generation stealth bomber will change the balance of power in the skies? Or do you think other nations will soon catch up? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most advanced military technology. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.